headquarters called, said there are zombies in these woods. We gotta get into action. This actually looks like a good place where zombies would be hanging out. I've heard rumor that they like snow. Vampires in the wood line. We got to clear them out. Let's go. Got it. Got him. Gonna get him. Got him. Wow, see another one. Got him. Might be one more. Oh, yeah. Oh. Got him. Let me see if there's one more out here. Hey, looks like I found their campsite. Aha. Oh, sandwiches. That'll work. Looks like another camp right here. Let's check these woods. Oh, found one. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, missed. Gotcha. Oh. Got him. Oh. You're trying to hide, aren't you? Woo-wee, I got you this time. Hands up. Got him. These forests are getting clean. Sure is beautiful country up here, and we're not giving it to any zombies. But I will say they make great sandwiches. Okay, the sector seems to be clear, and I hear thunder coming, so we better get our gear and get out of here. Well, we found those zombies at about 10,000 feet, a whole nest of them. We eradicated them, and mission is accomplished.